video, I'm going to show you how to use my favorite SEO tool, SEMrush, to look up backlinks of your competitor so that you can go earn more backlinks for your website and earn better rankings on the search engines. So a backlink essentially is when one website links to another. And when you have a lot of reputable websites referring to your page or blog post, there's a good chance it'll climb higher in the rankings. So we want to be looking for these rankings. So let's just say you happen to be a plastic surgeon. And what we're going to do is we go over to Google and I'm going to type in plastic surgery. And I'm going to go ahead and pull up one of the top local rankings here in my market. So we'll go ahead and pull up this plasticsurgery.com. I'm going to go over to SEMrush. And by the way, there is a link to SEMrush in this video and blog post. There's if you do end up making a purchase, I do benefit personally. So let me type this in here and then we're going to click search. This is the software that I actually use for all of my brands and for my marketing company. All right, so this is a pretty good one. We've got a website here that's earning a decent amount of organic search engine traffic, which means they're ranking on the search engines for keywords. So we're going to go down here and we're able to look up their top organic keywords, their organic positioning. We can see some other competitors in this space, but down here is where the magic happens. Backlinks. Now, what you're going to see is all of the backlinks that this particular website ranks for. So if we click View Full Report, we can see that they have 1.2 thousand backlinks referring to them. And you can see them right here. So they have how to pick a bold lip color. And you can see here that where the source is coming from. We have the Small Things blog, Top Hat rank, Dr. Bailey's skincare. Okay, and what you're going to be able to do now is you can actually go to each one of these websites and make a pitch that on your content. So you might pitch them and say, I noticed your website is about X, and I have a great blog post about Y that I personally feel will benefit your readers. Here's a link. Love to see you use it. Cheers. And then you put your name on there. And you'll actually be able to use this tool to track your backlinks. There's a backlink tool now that's inside of SEMrush, and you're going to be able to do a backlink audit on your own website. Here's a link building tool, bulk analysis. So if you really want to get into creating and earning these backlinks, this is a great way to do it. But you might really get a great idea. You might say, oh my gosh, well, this particular website is earning a whole lot of backlinks by doing podcasts or by writing blogs or by submitting videos. And it can give you ideas to be inspired by for your own website. My name is Lori Ballen, and I actually earn 6 figures in affiliate marketing. I am a blogger, a content creator, and I own multiple brands and businesses, including my marketing company called ballenbrands.com. If you like this video, please subscribe, thumbs up, comment, and definitely check out SEMrush. You're going to see it here, the link in this video, and thank you for joining me today.